Hi everyone, my name is Kim Griffin, occupational therapist and founder of GriffinOT. In this video, I want to talk a little bit about the writing framework, which was released by the Department of Education in July 2025. The framework is specifically for schools in England, and it includes recommendations on how handwriting should be taught in reception and how transcription, spelling, and writing composition should be taught throughout primary and then into secondary school. So section 1 gives you a bit of background on development of handwriting skills, but then section 2 and 3 really go into specific guidance on how handwriting should be taught, specifically in reception, and then also supported for children that might have delays going through in primary school. And the recommendations are that there's explicit handwriting lessons, which is separate to phonics lessons, that we are teaching handwriting print first, so no lead-in strokes and no cursive, that we're teaching in letter family groups, and there's also guidance on spelling. I have done another video specifically around teaching in reception, which I've included the link below if you haven't seen that one already, or if you specifically need that guidance for reception year 1 and year 2. The next section within the framework, section 4, talks about composition, so the actual writing paragraphs, writing ideas, getting your ideas down. And there's recommendations on how you can support children to do that successfully, including things like oral rehearsal, supporting with modeling of text, and also vocabulary development. So there's quite a few recommendations in there. I've seen a lot of schools already doing this in practice, so there might not be anything new, but it's useful just to have a look at it to make sure that your school is implementing those recommendations. Section 5 talks about inclusivity, so very much ensuring that every single learner is supported with their handwriting, early identification of any needs that might be there, and getting that early support in for children that might be having difficulties with handwriting, and also extra practice opportunities. And then 6 and 7 think about integrating writing into all subjects. So not just handwriting, not just English, but how it sort of integrates into science or integrates into geography. And also thinking about how to prepare children for secondary school. So once they've got to the end of the primary, how are we going to integrate that piece into secondary? And creating that whole school positive writing culture. So I think historically there's been a lot of work done on that whole school reading culture, so the Department of Education is now pulling that into handwriting. So if you need help, particularly with the transcription component of the writing framework, or to help with inclusion, the GriffinOT's program Write Rules can really help with that, because we've got all of the components that are recommended within the writing framework, and it's an easy way for your school to meet those audit requirements. If you need more information on Write Rules, the links are below. Or if you're already on the GriffinOT website, just click the links to the membership, as Write Rules is included alongside our sensory training and our fine motor skills training. And it is a complete package that your school can use to meet your children's handwriting needs. And also it's an easy way to meet the requirements of the writing framework.